welcome to Pixie Shell. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a speed build of me building a cafe because I have enough Robux. So I can build like 2 more new plots, so that's what we're going to be doing. And I'm just getting my moods up, so be right back. Also guys, I have now passed 200,000, so we are definitely good enough to make a cafe. And also guys, you have not seen that I've decorated my house because finally the Halloween update came. So I decorated my whole entire house. And do you like my avatar? I got Robux the other day, so like I am now like loving it, and I got all the game passes. So this is beautiful. So I'm just gonna get the new plot. Okay guys, so I just got an empty plot, and now we're going to start the cafe. So so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now I'm probably gonna do a different changes. But obviously I'm gonna be playing Bloxburg a lot, so please join. Like, my username is in my intro, like my profile, so you can go check it out. You're probably gonna find me in Bloxburg because I play it like 24/7. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn that bell to all, ding 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 ding. You've done it. Now you know when I make another video. So if your friends and like this video, if you like it. Oh, and can you please join my group? I love to talk to you guys. Okay, bye.